we are going to analyze in the live market. Okay, we need to analyze the live market. See friend, this is the market timings now. Market is moving like this. 37,886 was current price. Okay, I'm going to change it in a 1 minute time frame. See, this is how the trend line and moving averages lines are fake breakout of in downtrend moment. See, market is completely downtrend. In this scenario, we need to draw a trend line first. Okay, exactly here the price has taken support zone here. 1 2 3 here. 3 times it has taken, and previously here also it has taken the support zone. Okay, if price break on this support low zone means there is a trend will be changing, chances is there. It's almost a downtrend movement, it will find now, but it was showing HDFC Bank depth. Okay, let's want to see the market depth of the HDFC. See total buying side and total selling side, how much it was. Okay, in HDFC Bank we are finding little bit of selling pressure. We are going to find out now. See here, the price of, okay, how much first moment it was, volume is very much in this. Okay, we will find like this. These are the bid price, buyer's price, and this is the offer's price, and this is the quantity, and this is the how many trades it was ready to put. That was looking here. Why I'm looking a HDFC, because it is the most big play, uh, big hand in the bank nifty sector. So I'm going to see this 1557. See 1556 here. 1557 it was selling pressure here, 300 400 something, and 155 1555 here, 134. Okay, if price will fall one rupee also, the price will be bounce back upward coming chances is there. Let's see what happen. And we will actually see overall also total buyers and total sellers here. Total buyers is 2,26,809 something. 12,66,69,226. That means selling pressure is there. That's why market this one HDFC Bank getting selling pressure. So this will affect on Bank Nifty. See, once HDFC, oh okay, its support line has broken here, and suddenly sudden fall has been done. Okay, because of this support line break. Okay, see guys, I have told that support line has drawn once before the video beginning. This support line has broken. So friends, here we get nearby 100 points, 100 to 80 points we are getting here. Okay, This is how support and resistance zones are very important in this. Okay, price are trying to take bounce back, but huge selling pressure we are finding here. What happened for this HDFC Bank? Will can you guess here? Okay, see friends, here sellers are more. 13 lakh sellers is there. Okay, this will more falling chances is there. See friends, 13 lakh 18,000 19,000 sellers is there, but here 2 lakh 21,000 buyers is there. That's why market has HDFC Bank has fallen, and the impact fallen on Bank Nifty also, because the HDFC Bank is a big player in this Bank Nifty. One more thing. Open 37,667 and 38 34, low 37,597, close 37. Okay, this is the market depth analysis in live market friends. Okay, I'm not telling with price as taking support here at the entry point of here Fibonacci. We'll look it in 5 minutes time frame. See again, market has falling from here, from this zone will break means it will be completely okay. Its zone will break. Downtrend has started now, because this today's market opening zone has been breakdown, so it will be moved downtrend rapidly. See, this is the today's opening price. This gap will be covered now. Okay, that's the reason market has fallen like such a big candles. Okay, this gap will be going to fill now. Okay, this from here to here, this gap will be filling chances is there. At least it will become 37,600 something here nearby. 37,600 it will nearby coming chances is there. Okay, buying pressure is there. How rejection it was. Okay, we'll observe in 50 minutes candle. Yes, still it was in downtrend only. See, market has started uptrend and climax is trend is closed here 37,134 and started falling from there, and now it was reached at 37,368 at the low and started retracement. Let's see how much will market will be reached today. I want to see the price action how it was moving now. Okay, it was straightly downwards, that means strong selling side. When it was moving in uptrend it was not taking this much of time, but when falling time means it was, see how big candles we are creating here. And I hope this it's a completely strong bearish side. We don't need to enter buy side in this time and wait for the breakout or any candlestick patterns. After that we only take the entries. Otherwise we can take a put option very easily without taking any risk. Okay, it will, if it will break means this level will be the next support zone. See, I will draw the support zone now. This is the 37,622 is the next support zone. Price retracement chances is there. We need to take entries after this trend line breakout or moving average line breakout, then only we need to take entry for the upside, otherwise it will be remaining sideways market. See, doji candle is creating in 1 minute chart run.